Hello, Meg. Hi, Meg.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Meg. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Okay, well, that is good to hear. Did you eat dinner?
yeah. Meat
What did
and rice.
That's delicious. What did you do in the morning? What did you do in the morning?
No,
Did you play soccer? Did you go to the park? Did you ride a bike? What did you do?
rice is soccer.
What about in the afternoon? What did you do in the afternoon, Meg?
Bà.
What did you do in the afternoon?
Em don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Maybe you can't remember. So now let me share my screen. And yes, for today we'll have the continuation of your book. Okay, for a moment. And we are already at 42. Okay. So in here, Meg, we have bonus. Okay, can you tell me what color is it? What color is it, Meg?
It's black.
Okay. What's this?
Block.
Blob. Okay, what is it?
A clock.
What's
Flag.
this? What's this?
Block. Flag. Flag.
Okay, flag. What's this?
Flag.
What's this?
Blue.
Brush. Can you say it again?
Block.
Brush. Okay,
Block.
what's this?
Block.
One.
Bread.
Bread. Okay, what's this? It's a
Grill.
okay, crib. Crib. What about this? What's this?
Crayon.
Crayon. What is it?
Rock. Friend.
Dog and friend. Okay, great job, Meg. Thank you. So now we'll have this one. Okay, can you read the first sentence? Can you read the first sentence, Meg?
Eat clam. Eat black.
Second one.
My favorite.
Okay, my friend likes bread. And the last one, Meg. Last one.
The clock in the crib.
Okay, the flag is in the crib. Okay, now, can you tell me, Meg, what does your family like to eat? Or what do you like to eat, Meg? What do you like to eat?
It's chicken.
Chicken. I see. What about for vegetables? What is your favorite vegetable, Meg? What is
Mango.
your mango is a fruit. Mango is a fruit. What about the vegetables? What is your favorite vegetable? Eh? You don't know?
Hindi.
Wait, let me translate it for you, Meg. What is your favorite vegetable?
Bạn thích loại rau nào nhất?
Ano?
You don't like vegetables? Oh,
Salad.
oh, okay. You like salad. I see. Now, let us have this one, Meng. All you have to do here is to do the puzzle. Okay, can you tell me what's this? What is it, Meng? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, let me write it for you. We have peach. Now, what about this one?
Spaghetti.
Okay, yes, we have spaghetti. And next one, Ming, what's this?
Orange.
Okay, yes, it is orange. What about D?
Apple.
Okay, apple. What about E? It's your favorite, I think. What's this? It?
Salad.
Okay, yes, salad. And the last one, Ming, what is it? It's a dairy product, Ming. It's a dairy product. Can you remember this one? What is it?
Tomat.
It? What is it, Ming? It's
I
not
don't know.
milk. Okay, it's butter. Butter. Okay, now can you tell me what does she want? What does she want? She want what does she want, Meg? She want Hello, Meg. What does she want, Meg?
Oh, good.
What?
Cheese.
See, we have yes, she wants peas. Okay, there you have it. Now let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here, what's this? It's a piece of clothing, Meng, that we have already
I
discussed.
don't know.
So, why, why, why don't you know? We have talked about it multiple times,
Also,
Meng.
the red.
No, it's not a dress,
It's a coat.
Meng. Okay, yes, that is right. It is a skirt. Okay, let me write it for you. Skirt. What's this? What is it? Can you remember?
Um, hat.
Okay, it's a hat. What's this? What is it? What do you think? This one's easy, Meng. It's easy, Meng.
Suit.
Okay, yes, it's shoes. What about D? What's that?
Question, Dylan. Do you have question? That is social studies, Dylan. Social studies. Okay. Now wait. For a minute.
Do you know?
Stop.
This one. It's not shoes. We're done with the shoes. It's sneakers.
Nika.
Okay, sneakers. What about this? What is it? E, Meng. E.
Yeah. Sock. Ano?
No, it's not.
Ito. Ano?
It
Quần.
covers.
No. Quần is. T-shirt.
No, this one. It's not the
Shirt.
t-shirt. This is the t-shirt.
Shirt.
No, it's not short. This is what we call pants.
Ano?
Pants, Meng.
Han.
It's pants. Yes. Last one. Last one. What is it? Do you know?
T-shirt. No.
Is it? Is it a
No.
t-shirt? It's a
Shirt.
sweater.
Weather.
I think we have to review the types of clothing, Meng, because you tend to mix them up still. Okay, now what is he wearing? He's wearing.
Review again later.
He's wearing. What is he wearing, Meng? He's wearing.
Okay, those songs. Winter. He wearing a sock.
Okay, yeah, shorts. See, we have it in here. S-H-O-R-T and S. Okay, so we will then draw shorts for him. Okay, now let us have this one. Okay, now can you tell me the missing letters to form the name of this thing?
Do you like PE? Do you like? Yes, you do. What about music?
What's this, Meg?
No. You like Barut.
Can you say brush? Brush.
Bra.
You say it. Okay, very good. Brush. Now, what about this
Brush.
one? It's
Now let's
what's this? Crib. Crib.
Crib.
Crib. What
Blob.
about this?
Blob.
Blob.
Blob. Blob.
Okay. This one
Friend.
is okay, very good. Friend. What about this?
Ram.
Clam.
Clam.
Okay, and the last one is
Fly.
fly. Okay, see, you know it very well. Now let us
Yes.
proceed to this one. Okay, tell me the missing this.
Eat black. Eat black. Eat black.
Okay.
Eat black. Eat black.
This, what is it? What is it, Meng? Is it a pen, Meng? Is it a marker? What is it? What is it?
Zit crayon.
Eh?
Zit black.
Okay, see, this
The clock is
crayon is
under the frog under the clock.
okay, very good. What about Meng? Oh,
The bread is on the đâu? The flag is on the bread.
okay, yes. Good is on the bread. Remember that we use on when we say something is on top of something, okay, on the surface, Meg. Now let us have the next activity. Okay, so we have here things to do. We specifically talking about the action. Okay, so can you tell
Read.
me?
Water, draw, talk, sing, dance.
Okay, this is right, right, right.
Right.
Okay. Read, write, draw, talk,
Read,
sing,
write,
and
draw, talk, sing, dance.
okay, yes. So now we'll have the activity directly, Meng. So listen and number. Okay, let us
Page
listen to it.
44. B. Listen and number. 1,
I can sing. La 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 la.
Okay, who can sing? Okay, very good.
2,
Can you dance? Yes, I can.
3,
I'm hungry. Me too.
Who are hungry?
No.
Okay, because that's not the voice
Ôi,
of a girl, right? Okay, let me erase it, Meng. I'm hungry. Me too. Okay, yes. 3. Is it that one? Is it that one, Meg? That's not it, Meg. In the audio, we have heard two boys talking. Two boys talking, Meg. I'm hungry. Me too. Okay.
4,
Yeah.
Excuse me. Please don't talk. Sorry.
Excuse me, please don't talk. Okay, yes. That one is 4.
5,
I can draw. Look. Orange and pink flowers.
Who can draw? I can draw. Okay, yes, that's correct. Okay, that is
6,
5.
What about you, Mike? I can write in my new notebook. M-I-K-E. Good job.
And last one.
7,
Please
7.
read this.
Sure, Mom.
no.
This is a good book.
Okay, so that is it. Very good. See, you can do it actually, Meg. Now let us have this one. So I'm reading. He's reading. He's reading. I'm not writing. He isn't writing. He isn't writing. Okay, can you tell me what are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the picture, Meg. What are you
Reading.
doing? Can you say, I'm reading?
I'm reading. I'm not writing.
Okay. Now, what is he doing? What is he doing?
Writing.
He's writing.
He is writing.
He isn't
He writing.
reading.
He writing. He writing.
Yes, he is writing. What are you doing?
She is the right.
I.
The right.
Okay, now when I ask you, Meng, what are you doing? You have to answer, I am. Okay, however, if I will ask you, what is he doing? You will say he is. Or if I'd ask you, what is she doing? She is. Okay. So that's why we have I'm, his, and he. Okay. Now, again, ma'am, can you tell me what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm
I'm the right.
okay, very good. What is he doing? What is he doing?
I'm talking.
He, Meng. What is
Um.
he? He is.
He talking.
Okay. What are you doing? You. What are you doing?
I'm dancing. I'm singing.
Okay. What is he doing?
I'm dancing.
She. What is he doing?
I see dancing.
Okay. She is dancing. Now let us have this. What are you doing? I'm reading. What he or she doing? His or he reading. Okay. Now can you tell me what's he doing?
He writing.
Okay. He's writing. No, he's not.
And he reading.
Writing. Okay, he's reading. What are you doing?
He writing.
No, not
And
writing,
he
Meg.
talking.
Uh,
She talking. She talking.
No.
I'm
I'm
talking.
asking. Yes, I'm talking. What are you doing?
He reading.
What are you doing? I'm
Ah.
writing.
I'm writing.
What's he doing?
I'm dancing.
What's
I'm
he
singing.
doing? He.
Dancing.
Okay, what's he doing?
He dancing.
Uh,
He singing.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm the right.
Okay. Remember, Meng, if I will ask you, what are you doing? You will start your answer by saying, I am drawing, or something that you're doing at the moment. However, if you were asked, what is he or she doing? Then you would say he or she is, let's say, reading. Okay, that is how you should answer it, Ming. Again, so if you were asked, what are you doing? What are you doing? You will say, I am drawing. What's he doing? He is reading. What's he doing? He is writing. Okay? So that is how you should answer it. Don't be confused, man. Now let us have this one. Okay, can you encircle the things that they're doing? What is he
Writing.
doing? Okay. Is he writing?
The right.
Okay, yes, he is drawing. What about here? Okay.
Writing. Reading. The right. I know.
Throw it?
That's it.
Okay.
Sing.
Okay, sing. Now let's have the next one directly, Miss. Okay, now can you tell me what is he doing?
One is singing.
One is
Dancing.
singing.
Dancing.
Okay, dance. Two.
Two is the ra. The ra.
Okay, draw. Draw. Three.
Three is dance. Singing.
Okay,
Dancing.
sing.
Singing. Sing. Sing.
Okay, sing. Four.
Four is talk.
Okay, talk. Five.
The ra. No. Right.
Read.
Read.
And six is?
What? Why?
Right. Okay, there you have it, Meng. And that is all it. So next meeting we'll continue with the next one. Thank you. Good night, Meng.
Teacher.